This video, which explains how to set up and send a 5 Behaviors personal development profile, is presented by Disc Profiles for You, your 10-year Diamond Award winner, Wiley Authorized Partner. Before you begin, make sure you have a list of learners' full names and emails, the correct number of credits in your account to cover the number of profiles being sent. You will need 25 Epic credits per profile. For example, if you want to send out 4 profiles, you will need 100 Epic credits. Know the dates you would like to send the profiles and when a reminder should be sent. We suggest sending the profile 3 weeks prior to the training to give the learners 10 working days to complete the profile. The reminder should be sent about 5 business days after the initial send-out date. You will want all profiles completed in plenty of time before training. The subject line will be your organization name, no reply at wiley-epic.com. Ensure to let the learners know to expect a message with this subject line and to check their spam folder. If you would like the subject line for the learners to show differently, you can change it by going to Personal Options, View Edit Account Information, and click on the tab called Epic Settings. Scroll down to the section called Emails Sent from My Epic Account. You can change the from name or add a custom subject line to use when sending out assessments. Be sure to click Save at the bottom of this page. You are now ready to begin setting up your profile. To send out an access code for the 5 Behaviors personal development profile, simply log into your Epic account. Click on the Manage Reports header and choose the first option, Create New Report, Issue Access Codes. You will then be taken to the Manage Reports page. For product family, select 5 Behaviors. The product should be 5 Behaviors personal development profile. Language will default to English unless your account has been set up for additional languages. Additional languages are available at no additional charge. Please check with us to have them added to your account. Click Next. In the first block, you will see a confirmation of the assessment product, the language, and the credits needed per learner. Under Choose Report Content, select the content you would like included. We suggest leaving all the boxes in this section checked. Click Next. You will be taken to the Report Details page. Under Report Details, you can select or create a folder and/or subfolder in which you would like these reports to be maintained that will best fit your training and organization. For example, you can add a folder for the department and subfolder for the training session so they are grouped together for ease of creating group reports. This will also help you produce report batches for an entire training session. Keep in mind that no matter what folder they are located, you can always search for the learner by name in your account. Delivery and auto reminder options. The default condition is for access to be delivered immediately. You can also deliver access codes on any future date and time. Click on this Date Radio button to open the calendar. If you choose a future date, the reports will show pending in your account until they are completed by the learners. After you choose a date, you will want to set up an auto reminder which will be sent out to the individuals who have not completed the assessment by a certain date. Our suggestion is 5 business days after the initial email is sent out. If you do not select the Reminder Radio button, no reminder will be sent, and you will have to manually send all reminders under Manage Reports, Resend Login Information. Epic limits the number of reminders per access code to 3. If a learner has not completed their assessment after 3 reminders, you will have to cancel the access code and reissue a new one. An example of setting up a reminder. If you have selected February 26th for the training date, you may want to send the assessments out February 5th and select the reminder to be February 12th, first thing in the morning, so they are front and center of the learner's email. This will ensure you have plenty of time to review the report information before training. If you would like a custom subject line in the reminder email, you can do so by checking the box labeled Use Custom Reminder Subject. Our experience has shown that the use of 2 asterisks, the word hot, followed by 2 more asterisks, and then the words Please complete by end of day, works well in encouraging learners to complete their assessment. If you would like to ensure the email has a more personal message, you can insert an Epic Email System variable. You can choose what items you would like added to the subject line to help learners recognize the email from the platform is not spam. The Add Respondents section is where you will add learners. There are 2 options to add learners. We suggest using learners' full names, as it will make searching for their record much easier if you provide both their first and last name. For the first option, you will enter one or just a few learners by adding their name and email addresses under the Enter Individual tab. Under View Report, you have the option to select Yes or No with radio buttons. Choose Yes if you would like for the learner to gain access to their report immediately after completion. Click No. if you prefer to withhold the results from the learner until training or in a private meeting. Once you click Add, the learner will move below and the email and name fields will be ready for you to add another learner. Once you have added all of your learners, click Assign Access Codes. The second option to add learners is to use the Import from Excel tab if you have a larger number of learners to enter. You can download the Excel template to use in this section. You can also find the template under Manage Reports, Download Import Templates. Choose the respondent template and click Download on the right. This is a view of the Excel document to import in order to add all learners. The template cannot be modified in any way. All fields must be text only. Please ensure you do not add any additional information or cells. When the Excel document is complete with the learner's emails in column A, no hyperlinks, underscores, or highlighting. Column B is for the learner's full names, ensuring they are first name space last name. In column C, place the number 1 if you would like the learner to have access to view their report, or 0 if you prefer to share the report with them personally. Go back to the Add Respondents section and click Upload to add the learners from the spreadsheet. Once you upload the list, it should show up similar to this. You are able to click the X on the left of anyone that you do not need to send an access code to. It will also let you know if something needs corrected. Click Assign Access Codes. Epic will notify you the number of credits that will be charged to your account in a pop-up from Wiley. Click OK. The second pop-up from Wiley is regarding including a custom email. If you would like to include a custom email message or change the subject line, select OK. To learn more about creating custom messages, refer to the video, Epic, How to Create Custom Messages. Click Cancel if you would like to use the default message created by Wiley. You will see a green bar at the top which confirms the action has been completed and that the access code has been sent or scheduled. Finally, you can see your new credit balance on the bottom as well as your credits on the top of the page next to your username. Please note that credits are actually suspended from your account, though can be reclaimed at any time until the learner begins their assessment. To unassign and reclaim credits, refer to the video called Epic, How to Unassign Access Codes, Reclaim Credits. Please reach out to us if you have questions about anything in this video or if you have questions about any Wiley product. You can contact us at this number or email us at info@diskprofilesforyou.com.